I mean, my skin is so much better for using a skincare set. Good morning, ladies. So I thought, I just got out of the shower, and so I used my TimeWise Repair Cleanser. So here's what I do before I start with my makeup. I always use my vitamin C and E, and I put it on the areas that's needed. Now, I get my Skin Vigorous Sonic brush. Take my Skin Vigorous Sonic brush with the massage header on it, and I am going to massage that in. The reason I do this is because then it gets deeper into my skin. It's a little dry because I didn't have it right handy. I usually have this sitting here like this. Now, the second part of the TimeWise Repair lifting, or is the lifting serum, okay? And this one, I just put this everywhere. This is running low. I can tell that it's running out. You like my wall behind me? I know. I'm trying to choose the right color. So I have 3 colors up there. Don't disregard that purple thing. Oh my gosh. If I could get rid of it, I would. But at this particular junction, until we remodel the bathroom, that has to stay there. You may or may not know this, but we have a very, very, very old house. And one of the things they didn't do in the 1800s, 1900s was they didn't have a lot of cupboards and cabinets. Why? Because they didn't buy so much like we do nowadays. All right. So that was the TimeWise Repair Lifting Serum. And here is our TimeWise Repair for Renewal Eye Cream. Now, the thing that I do, the one reason I love this is because this does so many things in one product. This will get rid of puffiness. This will help and tighten up because it's got the Volu-Firm complex in it. It will tighten up your skin. The titanium top, flip it over, and when you're using this, right, it's rubbing it in. You never want to use anything on your eyes, whether it's to wash them or moisturize it, that isn't specifically made for your eyes. And then the next thing is our TimeWise Repair Day Cream. Now, our Day Cream has a 30 SPF in it, and it looks like this, and you're supposed to put your fingers right here. Now, it might not do it and it will squeeze out exactly what you need. Now, there will be enough of this product, oops, got it on, to use on your neck. Now, I started using this when it first came out, obviously because it was a new product and I needed to know about it, how it worked. It is made for women 50 and over, or more seasoned ladies, or someone who has sun spots or sun damaged skin. And the other item in it that would be, you do the same exact thing. The only difference is at night you do it with the night cream. Okay, and this has retinol in it. Well, I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about, so the TimeWise Repair Volu-Firm set that I just used. Okay, it's going to lift and restore in 4 steps. Okay, so you have your cleanser, you have your Volu-Firm lifting serum, and the serum is really important. If you don't, if you skip the serum, I have a couple women that are like, I don't want to purchase that. But I know that when you skip the serum, the volume isn't giving you the same. You're not getting the same lift, okay? Because that's what it is, lifting serum. That is where it takes and it plumps up your skin a little bit so that it helps with the fine lines. So the lifting serum, the eye cream, and then the day or the night, depending on what, but there's 4 sets, right? Or 4 pieces, right? Very simple, very easy. What I found was the reason I've continued to use this even with combination skin. Now you notice I use my Skin Vigorate Sonic brush. If I don't use that, I'll end up with a blemish very quickly. The Sonic brush helps clean out my pores because I wear foundation that's never going to come off all the way without scrubbing it, not scrubbing it, but without getting into your pores. And the Sonic bristles do that. So this will target multiple reasons that skin ages. Okay, so with that, it's going to address wrinkles. It's going to address uneven skin tone, and it's the firmness and also much more. It helps with lightening and brightening, so your darker areas, dark spots, things like that, those are going to minimize. And what I found was it is $205. Okay, that's if you don't hold a party and earn discount. But it will, you will use these 4 items, and you won't use a lot of the other items that we used when we used the TimeWise Miracle Set 3D. Now the Miracle Set 3D is a little different than it used to be, the Miracle Set, the plain Miracle Set. But that is why. So the night cream has retinol in it, and this will fight your appearance with your fine lines and everything. It's not like our retinol system, which you can use along with this, but it is got retinol in it, a percentage, a slight percentage. The lifting serum, so that's going to reclaim your target, your triangle of your youth, okay? And then it's going to leave your skin feeling softer, smoother, and more moisturized. Our cleanser is really lather. It lathers it right up, and it's gentle, and it just takes away all your dullness and your impurities while you're leaving your skin just feeling really deep cleansed, revitalized, and hydrated. Let's say it that way. Our Volu-Firm Day Cream has got the sunscreen in it, and it's an SPF 30, and it is for UVA and UVB rays. It's going to help repair that damage, and it's going to prevent your skin from being damaged, and then it supports all the natural collagen. And then our eye renewal cream, so that is that targets our visible deep lines, right? Any kind of circles or sagging, any kind of bags, as you might want to say it. And then, of course, the upper eye droopiness. So that is our TimeWise Repair Volu-Firm set. Definitely send me a private message and send me a little DM, comment, whatever. If you'd like to get more information, I will definitely send that to you. Also, if you want immediate information, go to my website. It's down below in the description, and you can go in there and just click on Volu-Firm set, and it will go in through. It actually has a very nice video. You can also download our Suite 13, Mary Kay's Suite 13, and then you can kind of go through those different areas. So I hope this sparked an interest, or you at least know someone that maybe already has these signs and wants to just hydrate their skin and put it back in them. I mean, my skin is so much better for using a skincare set through Mary Kay than it was ever before Mary Kay. Anything you bought before, even in the stores, they say there's something, but this has science that backs it up. And I love that about Mary Kay.